Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage our invoices on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your site's workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, go to CRM and Client Billing, then go to Invoices. And this is your Invoices dashboard. This is where you'll see all of the invoices you've created in the past. To manage an invoice, click the three-dot button next to it, and here you'll see options to preview it, edit it, duplicate it, resend it via email, share it via a link, print it, download it as PDF, record payment, void it, or delete it. And if you'd like to manage multiple invoices at the same time, simply take the check boxes of the invoices you want to manage, and options at the top will be available. You can download them as PDF or export them as a CSV file. So feel free to manage your invoices according to the available options on your dashboard. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.